We got the Razer slogan over there. Okay, so first we get this, the headset itself, and a Razer logo. That is, I believe it is a dongle, I'm not sure. So these are the headset. We got of course green stuff because Razer. Audio jack, charging, micro USB, but yeah, that's fine. Microphone, mute and unmute, power button. Oh, that's where you put the mic. This volume. Oh, it's nice. They put a knob. It's not leather because leather can rip easily. I took this fabric. Over here you got the Razer logo in leather. I'll just leave it here. So for connection you can connect it through Bluetooth. Audio jack, barely any computer has it. My laptop has it. Phones don't have it nowadays, but yeah, if you do, you can use this. And they've got a good cable management thing. It looks like one of those hand sanitizer stuff, but yeah, it's braided, by the way. Nice. Here we got another braided cable. Micro USB, I'm presuming. Yeah, micro USB. They got with the green micro USB. They also give you this to cover it. Braided cables. Oh yeah, this is the microphone. It's bendable. Wait. Is that the same? Oh, we can fit a mic like that. Is it connected though? Don't think it's connected. But we can do that. I don't know how that's useful though. And got the sleeve. Nothing inside. You can put the thing. How do I take that out? Okay, I have to pull it out and get this. So in terms of connection, you get Bluetooth wired through the audio, 3.5mm audio jack, or this, the USB receiver. I'm gonna go with the USB receiver, but the problem is I only have one USB port and I use my mouse. So what do I do? Of course I don't unplug and replug over and over again. I buy something like this. I don't know what brand this is, just glue, some random brand. 4 USB A's. Apparently works with Windows XP as well. So if you have that, Wait, no, it also works with Windows 98. Okay. Yeah. It goes up to 480 megabits per second. Yep, definitely high speed. It's not really that high speed. USB 2.0. Nowadays 3.1, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, now if I take this out, finally, all of that just for this. So in here, yeah, it's not that high quality. Yeah, you can hear something rattling when you hit it. Cables, yeah, no, not that. But yeah, it's fine as long as it works. So if I remove this, put this, that here, put my mouse thing here, and the Razer on. Okay, hopefully it's charged already. Let me check. Okay. Is it detected? Is it detected? Okay, it's detected. Nice. It has noise cancellation. I can feel the noise cancellation. Let me get some sort of audio. Okay, this is insanely good. Here, take a listen. You guys won't hear it as good as what I'm hearing, because it's a camera microphone, but I'm hearing it through my ears. So yeah. But here you go. Okay, so you guys can hear it. It's quite nice. What? Wait a second. Okay. I never had the Razer software. Or did I? I might have. Okay, sure. No, synapses is enough. Okay, so this thing also has some sort of storage that told my laptop to download this. So yeah, headsets are quite comfortable. You could see it's quite comfortable. It fits right there. Nice. Volume decrease, increase. Okay, now I'm listening to that Dolby thing. It's really good. So yeah, I can feel the 3D thing all around me. I'll play it on the phone.
Audio channels. Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you.
So yeah, that's pretty much it from that. Something that I don't like is this fingerprint. Literally, for some reason it's not working. Do I have to press that? What does that do? Okay, I'll roll the stuff for me to find out. I'll just wait for this thing to get installed. Look, I found a signature of Neil Tan. I think I said that name right. Sorry if I didn't. He's the co-founder and CEO of Razer. Oh, look, it's not installed. 11% installed. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. Actually, until then, I'll install this. So, this is right, I think. Yeah, no, this is left. Wait, what? The controls are on the left. That's kind of odd. Usually the controls are on the right, but this one the controls are on the left. You can see over here it says L, over here R. Okay, it's adjustable. Yeah, let me just put it like that. I think it goes in here. Okay, nice. It goes perfectly in there. And this thing is rotatable, so I can move it around wherever your mouth is. And this thing also has this filter, which I recommend cleaning like every 6 months. It's easy to take off. See, I just did it. Just put it in, take it off. This is there, so if you're like eating or you're doing something, all the food is on that, and you don't spit it. You don't spit directly onto the microphone. So as you can see, there's one over here and another one over here. It captures 360 immersive sound. It is actually good. I'll start using this for future videos. So let me just real quick put it on. Let me just adjust it. It feels weird. There. Yeah, I'll put it like that. You don't want it to touch. You also don't want it in your mouth. Yeah, just there. Okay, so there are different mode corrections, as I said, and if you don't really want it that high, but you do want it a bit, up to date, use the dongle. If you are a gamer and you want it live, like no delay, like not even a millisecond delay, go with this. Oh look, it's downloaded. Yeah, sure, get started. Let me just record myself. Okay. Wait, don't low. Hello. Okay, now let me just hear that. Okay, that's really high quality. Okay, I'm just signing in to the app. Also, a few days ago, you guys asked me to do the UFO test on this monitor. I did it. I uploaded it. So if you have any videos, if I can do it, don't go ahead and request like buy a PC or something like that. But yeah, if it's possible, I will. Okay, so we got the app. Let's just leave it like that. What can I do here? This is settings menu. Can you do anything on this earphones? What? Does it even require? Can you do anything with this? Doesn't say anything on the box. So I have no idea how this is useful. Wait, this is not the Synapse. Oh, this is a Razer Center. Never mind. Let me try opening that. Why would this not open? Okay, there. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's what I have. Now let's try disconnecting that. For phones, I'm gonna have to use this. It's a USB-C to A. And you can just plug this in, and you can just plug it into your phone. So let me just real quick do it, and you guys can hear the audio quality of the headset. Do I hear stuff? Okay, I do. So it does work through the audio jack. So overall, it's not bad. It has nice 360 audio quality. Everything's nice. They even give you stickers. Not the same stickers that the Razer Core X had. They're still stickers. Other than that, not much. Warranty stuff. Yeah, they gave me this much paper, just fine. Okay, so okay, this is Chinese. It's Mandarin, sorry. English. Okay, so it says so you have to go to Okay, Razer ID. Go there. My products. That's the Razer Core X Mercury. Okay, let me type in the serial number. And that's it.